Hi guys, I am Belle. This is Santa Give It To Me. Let's do it. Oops, I got a little jizzy. Oh. So this is Barbie. Ooh, open it. Oh, it looks so easy. I think this is the Barbie. Woo! Oh, a Barbie! That looks so great. I love this water Barbie. Oh, so cute. So we get their own accessories. I think it don't need water. I think so. I think Santa don't give the water things to me. Ah, look, there's a skirt. So cute. Oh, look at this water things. I think we need to get it water. Will you try? I give it to Mom, then she will get water. So, these are the reviews. I love it. Ooh, a little brush. It looks so cutie. We got this little brushie that's pink. And it's some earrings. There's a pair. So great. So we got the last reveals. Not working too. That means I need to get work on the scissor again. The scissors are so strong. Shoes. I think it's the shoes. Oh, look how good is it. So I think I'll try to get in the water. Let's dip her in the water. Great. It turned into, I don't think so. It's coming. It's out. It looks so great. Let's see. Look. It's turning too. Oh, that's so cute. So I stuck her in. Whoa, great! I love it. So we'll talk about the reviews. Throw the rubbish here. I love these shoes. They're so cute. And we'll look about this. Wow, it's turning blue. So we'll dip her head in. We'll twist her. And we'll wait a minute. So this brush, I think I from a brush her here. Oopsie. Brush her here. This is for her shoes. And this is her skirt. And these are the earrings. These are pairs. And I love those reviews. Let's see how much she should try again. Wow. It looks so great. I didn't see that anything is look like this. I think her hair is looking great. It's dripping the water on my table. That's okay. Ooh. We try a little bit. And more and more. Great. And look at the Barbie. It looks so drippy droppy. So get this scissor out. Whoa, look at this game. It looks so great. We'll wait 1 more minute, then see how it's work. Get her face into, so she can wash her face like that. Or a shower, and dip her water in. Just kidding. I cannot dip her hair in because we're ready a tower. A tower! So we got this Barbie. So we talk about the things. Ooh, look, the skirts. So beautiful. That's hearts and balloons. And I love her skirt too. I want to wear her pairs of earrings too. It will be great. But the pairs of earrings are for the Barbie. These shoes are great, hasn't it? It looks so great. The Barbies look so great. And she need to wash her face. Great. So we will take her out. Get her the Barbie style. Whoa. But there's only the things that are silvers. So we'll get it. Oh, ew. So we'll get this in no time. Hi, it's ready. So look, I have no silvers now. Great. So we'll help her get the skirty on. Hi, I got the Barbie earring now. My mom teach me how to put it in the hole. Oh, I'll put it in the hole. Something's gone wrong. So I'll put it in, but it can't work. So it's done. My mom helped me fix it. So we'll get a hairbrush. So I'll help her brush her hair. So we dip a little water. Just kidding. We'll help her fix it. I like her hair very much. Ugh. Her hair's so wet because of these water. So curly, like my hair. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel and ring the bell and like and share me. I am Belle. Bye!